Good morning, friends. We are studying problems related with the design of the flat belt and V belt. So that's why I am continuing problems related with the V belt. So please note down today's first problem. Two shafts are connected by a V belt drive which is which are 1.5 meter apart. Speed ratio is 3. The angle of groove on pulley is 30 degree. Area of cross sections 450 mm square and permissible stress stress 2.5 megapascal. Density of the belt material is 1000 kg per meter cube. Mu equal to 0.25. 120 kilowatt power is to be transmitted at 1440 rpm. Find the number of belts required. Find the number of V belts required and length of belt. So this is given, means according to this data we have to solve the problem. So angle is given. First we will calculate alpha equal to 182 minus sine inverse capital D small d divided by 2c. Now speed ratio is given and this is 120 kilowatt. So that's why bigger pulley, assume, because pulley is not given, assume, or by design data book for, because power is to be more transmitted, 120 kilowatt. E section pulley is required E sections is required. So that's why D equal to 500 mm and capital D equal to speed ratio is given 3. So that's why this is 1500 mm. So alpha equal to 180 2 sine inverse. This is 1500 minus 500 divided by 2 into center distance 1.5 meter. Alpha equal to 1000 divided by 3000 sub sine multiplied by 2 multiplied by 180 is 141.05 multiplied by pi divided by 180. This is equal to 2.461 or 462 radian. Right? Next, here in these problems, power that is to be transmitted, but the area of cross sections is given. So that's why we can use relation T1 minus mv squares divided by T2 minus mv squares e to the power mu alpha divided by sin theta by 2. So mv squares equal to first calculate m equal to volume multiplied by density. Volume equal to area of cross section, that is given area into length multiplied by density. Area equal to 450, length equal to 1000 mm because this area mm square, density kg per meter cube. So that's why this is 10 to the power minus 6 multiplied by 1 into 1000. So this is equal to 0.5 kg per meter. So next step is mv. V equal to pi d n divided by 60,000. So pi diameter of the smaller pulley, and this is equal to 500 rpm 1440 divided by 60,000. V equal to pi multiplied by 500 multiplied by 1440 divided by 60,000. This is 37.699 meter per second. Now mv squares equal to m equal to 0.45 multiplied by 37.699 square multiplied by 0.450. This is equal to 639.55. Now T1 minus 639.55. Again we will calculate these terms, right hand side terms. Alpha divided by sin theta divided by 2. Coefficient of the frictions 0.25 multiplied by radians 2.462 divided by sine. Angle is given 30 degree. So this 30 degree means 15. 0.25 multiplied by 2.462 divided by sine 15 equal to this is equal to 10.78. I'll check this my answer because I am getting this is more. So once again I will check this. 0.25 multiplied by 2.462 divided by sine 15 this is equal to 3.47. And 0.25 into 2.462 divided by sine 15 directly. We are getting different answers, so that's why we'll check this. Because in the calci it may be wrong. .914 units of So I think my calci setting disturbed. So this value is wrong. So actually this is equal to 3.42448. So this is correct value. So that's why T1 minus mv square equal to 639.55 T2 639.55 equal to 3.42448. Now cross multiplication, T1 minus 639.55 equal to 3.42448 T2 3.422 multiplied by 639.55, this is equal to 2190. Now T1, this is first equation. Again here permissible tensions is given. So that's why sigma equal to T1 divided by area. So T1 equal to, this is 2.5 multiplied by 450. 2.5 multiplied by 450, 1125 Newton. Now put value of the 1125 minus 639.55 plus 2190 equal to, and this is T2 3.42448 T2 plus 2190 minus 639.55 divided by 3.42448. Two 190 plus 1125 minus 639.55 divided by 3.42448 equal to 7. T2 equal to 781.27 Newton. All right. So that's why power transmitting capacity of the single bed. So this is equal to T1 minus T2. This is another method, divided by 1000. So this is for single V belt, because this is the T1 is the single for the single belt. 1125 minus T2 781.27 V equal to velocity 37.699 divided by 1000. So P equal to minus 7.699 divided by 1000, 12.95 kilowatt. So this is power transmitting capacity of the single belt. So number of V belt equal to total power divided by power transmission capacity of single belt. So that's why this is 120 divided by 12.95. This is 9.26. Means number of V belt equal to, this is 10. This is your required answer. Second, find the number of V belt and the length of the belt. So length of the belt equal to, this is V belt. I will check formula. Pi plus D plus capital D divided by 2 plus 2C plus D minus small d square divided by 4C. This is 500 plus 1000 divided by 2, 1500 plus this is speed ratio, this is 1500. Here also 1500 minus 1000 divided by 4 into, and this is bracket square, the length of the belt. 500 means 2000 1000 multiplied by pi, this is 3141 plus this is 3000 plus 50 means 1000 square divided by 1500 divided by 4. This is equal to 166.66. So that's why plus 3000 plus 3141 equal to 6307 mm. This is the overall length of the belt, and this is the pitch circle or pitch length of the V belt. This is approximately, so you can adjust. This is not the fix. You can adjust according to the arrangements. I will check my connection. Right, no problems, because sometimes mobile malfunctioning in this video capture may be failure, so that's why I have to check that. This is today's second problem. Two shafts whose center distance, two shafts whose centers are 1000 mm apart are connected by are connected by V-belt drive. The driving pulley is supplied with the driving pulley is supplied with 92 kilowatt of power has a diameter of 300 mm. So in this problem, diameter is given. It runs at 1000 rpm, while the driven pulley runs at 375 rpm. The angle of groove on the pulley is is 40 degree. Cross sections area of belt 400 mm square. Permissible tensions in the belt is 2.1 Newton per mm square. The belt weight is the belt density is Newton 11 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton per mm cube. If mu equal to 0.28, find the number of belts required. So in these problems, diameter is given, so there is no necessary to assume the diameter. And only in the previous problems, number of V belt and simultaneously length of the belt, that is asked. So this problem is simple. So such type of the problems may be asked during the examination. So first we will calculate a wrap angle. So wrap angle alpha equal to 180 minus 2 sine inverse capital D equal to capital D equal to small d given. First we will calculate speed ratio. This is 1000 divided by 375. .66. Now D equal to 2.66 multiplied by small d. Small d equal to 300 mm. 2.66 multiplied by 300. This is equal to 800 mm. Alright. So that's why 800 minus 300, center distance 2 into 1000, alpha equal to 500 divided by 2000 inverse of sine 14 multiplied by 2 plus 180. This is equal to 151.04 multiplied by pi divided by 180, alpha equal to 2.636 radian. Again I will face same problem, so that's why I will check. Okay. This is 151. So this value we assume equal to, because this is 2.7. Radian. So that's why e to the power mu into alpha divided by sine 20, 28, 2.636, and this is sine 20. So first we'll calculate. So after that, approximately, because my calc is setting disturb, $2.158. So for this value, I will take approximately some of the values. $2.15. So assume this value equal to, because in the previous problems okay. So this value we assume 3.1 equal to. So that's why next step, v equal to pi into d into n divided by 60,000. V equal to diameter of the smaller pulley 300 and RPM equal to I think 1000 divided by 60,000. So this is approximately. Because my calc setting disturbed, so I don't know what is the reason. Multiplied by 300 by 1000 divided by 60,000. This is equal to 15.700 meter per second. So that's why mv square equal to. So first calculate m equal to volume. Okay. Multiplied by density. And this is given in terms of Newton. So volume meter cube 1000 into area of cross sections. One are connected. This is 400 multiplied by 11 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now this is 9.81. Why this is divided by? Because this is in Newton. Since density Newton per mm cube, that's why m equal to 11 into 10 to the power minus 6 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 400 and divided by 9.81. This is equal to 0.448 kg per meter. So that's why mv square equal to v equal to 15.707 square. Now by using relations T1 minus mv square T2 mv square equal to e to the power mu theta or mu alpha divided by sin theta. So this is T1 T2 and this is equal to. So we consider this is approximately 3.1. Now stress equal to T1 divided by area. So that's why T1 equal to stress multiplied by area. Stress equal to 2.1 into 400. So this T1 equal to 840 Newton. T1 equal to, so this is the maximum tension allowed in the one belt equal to 840 Newton. So that's why 840 minus 1110.65 T2 0.65 equal to 3.1. So this term equal to 840, 729.34. Equal to 3.1 T2 minus 3.1 into 343, 3.1 T2 equal to divided by 3.1. This is equal to 124 Newton. I think this is very less, but what will maybe methods correct. So that's why P equal to T1 minus T2 into V divided by 1000. 840, 124, 1000, V equal to 15.7. 40 into 15.7 divided by 1000. This is equal to 11.23 kilowatt. Means this is correct. So that's why number of V belt equal to total power divided by power transmission capacity of single belt, and this is equal to 92 divided by 11.23, 92 when divided by answers multiplied by 92, this is equal to 8.19. So that's why number of V belt equal to 9. This is your required answer. So this is approximately correct. So due to limitations of the time, today I stop here, and we will see in the next class selections of the belts from the manufacturing catalogs. So after that we can start. The next chapter is the brakes. Thank you.